Are you looking forward to check Wi-Fi GHz on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your App Store and install this application on your device. Once installed, now go back and head over to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and move into Apps. Here, move into the application Airport utility, and then enable this option Wi-Fi Scanner. Once done, now open the application Airport utility. Once you're in the home page, click on Wi-Fi Scan at the top right corner of the screen. Once again, tap on Scan at the top right corner of the screen. And wait for a while for it to scan. All the nearby Wi-Fi will be available to you. Click on the specific Wi-Fi that you want to check the gigahertz. Well, if the channel is higher than 11, then you are on 5 gigahertz. And if you're connected between 1 and 11, you are connected to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So this is simply how you can check the gigahertz of your Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.